I am Dr. S. Amutha from Computer Science and Engineering Department, P.S.R. Engineering College. I would like to talk about artificial intelligence, introduction of artificial intelligence. What is artificial intelligence? So, artificial intelligence is nothing but artificial means man-made and intelligence means thinking power. Hence, the AI means man-made thinking power. Next, we are going to discuss about the definition of AI. Definition of AI is the branch of computer science that deals with the create intelligent machines which can behave like a human and think like a human and able to make decisions. Why artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence, nowadays we are using AI is the most recent technology in the world. So, artificial intelligence can create such a software like solving real world problems, health issues, marketing and traffic issues. Next one is we can create a personal virtual assistant like Google, Siri, Cortana and Google Assistant. Then we can with the help of AI we can build robots. Then it can create a new technologies, provide a path for new technologies and new devices and new opportunities. Next, what are the goals of artificial intelligence? Here I have discussed the replicate human intelligence and solve the knowledge intensive task. Then intelligent connection, perception and action. The perception means acquire the properties from the environment through the sensors and given to the action by the actuators. Then building a machine which can perform a task like playing chess and proving a theorem and plan some surgical operations and driving a car in traffic. Next, what AI composed of? What are the properties AI composed of? Then intelligence is an intangible part of a brain. Then it can the combination of reasoning, learning, problem solving, then linguistic and perception. Then where we can use AI? AI can be used in computer science, psychology, neuroscience and then biology, philosophy, maths and sociology. Advantages of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, high accuracy with less errors, high reliability and useful for risky areas, digital assistant and useful as a public utility. Then disadvantages of artificial intelligence. We can create a machine like human intelligence, so we can the cost is also very high, can't think out of box and no feelings and emotions are expressed in the machine. Then increase the dependency on machine, then no original creativity in AI. Then before learning AI and before developing the AI, we have to know the computer languages such as C, C++ and Java, Python. Python is the more advantageable for implementing the artificial intelligence. Then we have the essential knowledge in mathematics like probability theory and some derivatives. Then applications of AI. We focused on some areas and most areas are agriculture, education and health science, the social media, finance and gaming and astronomy also. Next, history of AI. History of AI, initially the first work was started in the year 1943, the evolution of artificial neurons. Next, the conference was conducted in the year of 1956, the birth of AI. John McCarthy has implemented the name or coined the name as AI in the conference of Dartmouth University. And in 1950, Turing machine was implemented, and the machine can to test the ability of intelligence. So it will be done in 1950. The first chatbot was implemented in 1966. The first chatbot name is Elisa, and then 1972 first intelligent robot was implemented, named as Wabot 1. In the during first winter AI winter session, the conference was conducted from 1974 to 1980. The intelligence was implemented. First, the system was not executed. Then the further development has been done in 1980, that like expert system. And then during the year second winter Second AI Winter Conference has been conducted in the year 1987 and 1993. That time the government was, funding was stopped by the government, so the AI was not implemented successfully. Then 1997, from now itself they can implement. IBM Deep Blue machines was implemented. The chess champion has won the computer game. Then 2002 and at present AI in home robot, and 2011 they can implement a who show the IBM Watts machine can win the game. Then now we have the 2012 Google virtual assistant has been implemented, and then at present we have the chatbot Hootsman wins Turing test. The Turing test was implemented by Alan Turing, that has to test the machine that work with really intelligence like human or not. Then Amazon Echo has been implemented in the year 2015 with natural language processing. Then artificial intelligence was categorized into two types. One is type 1 and another one is type 2. The type 1 under the category of type 1 has further classified into narrow AI, general AI and strong AI. Then type 2 has been divided into reactive machines, limited memory, theory of mind and self-awareness. Then what is narrow AI, and based on their capabilities, this has been classified: narrow AI, general AI and super AI. What is narrow AI? Narrow AI to perform a dedicated task with intelligence, and general AI perform a task with some intellectual task with machine, human. Then super AI is work with the superpass human intelligence with cognitive properties. So it is an outcome of general AI. This is the types of AI. This can explain this smart structure. That is narrow AI work on the dedicated for one task. General AI performs like a human, and super AI intelligent than human with cognitive skills. Then artificial intelligence type 2 category, based on functionality, it has been classified into a reactive machines. This machine has do not store memory and past experience for future actions. This reactive machines is IBM Deep Blue system. This is the example of reactive machine, and Google AlphaGo is the example of reactive machines. Then limited memory. This can store the past experiences and some short period of time. So this self-driving cars is the best example for limited memory, because it can store speed of nearby cars, distance of cars and speed limit and other information to the navigate the road. Then theory of mind, this has not been implemented successfully, because understand the human emotions and belief, and people may able to interact with socially like humans. Still not developed, but research is making lot of efforts to improve the developing such AI machines. Self-aware. Next one is self-awareness. Self-awareness is the feature of future of artificial intelligence. This will have the consciousness and the sentiments and self-awareness. This can be so smarter than human, but it does not exist in reality. Still hypothetical concepts are under developing state. So this class we have seen introduction of artificial intelligence and goals of artificial intelligence, and then applications of artificial intelligence and the types of artificial intelligence. Thank you.